So today we are going to talk about the methods present in the collection interface. So collection interface is a root interface. We already discussed about the and set and list are the two different type of interfaces present in the collection framework. Under list there is array list and linked list vector stacker presenting in the list interface, and in set interface hash set, linked hash set, sorted set, navigable set, and tree set. So these are all the like other implemented classes for the collection whole interface. So in the collection interface, we have a lot of methods present in the collection interface. The main thing methods, the remaining all the list and set interfaces, the elongated implemented classes have various classes with that. So we are going to discuss about that. So collection interface methods. One, add of object O. Add of object O. It is, what is for that? Adding object. This is for adding object. Next, L dot add all of collection C. So this is the one like the object for the class. So in this we are calling the add all of method collection C. So whenever we are going to add all objects in a particular collection to the list, so we are going to use this method. So adding all elements in collection. Next, third one, remove of object O. Remove of object O. In remove of object O is for the removing object. And fourth one, the add, first adding an object, next add all object and remove object, the next remove all, right? Remove all means it is a again collection interface, and that is an object for what? Remove group of objects. Removing group of objects. Next, clear. This clear, remove all objects. It's a particular group of objects. Here, remove all objects. Remove all objects. And that's one, retain all. All means collection C. Collection C. In this, retain all means accept this object, remove all remove remaining. Accept this object, retain all. Retain all. Accept this object, accept this object, remove all. The next one, contains. Contains means Is it present in that list or not? That's right. Contains of object obj, whether the particular object is available or not. Whether the particular object is present or not. Next, contain all. Same thing. Contains all the particular collection C. So same thing, whether the collection is present or not. Whether the collection is present or not. Next one. Next we get add and add all, remove all, clear, retain all, contains all. The next one is empty, means it will check. Is empty, any object present or not. Then size. Array with array size. Next, object to array. Convert collections to array. To array. To array is the most important thing. And the return type of the to array is object type of array. Object of array. Convert collection to array. Convert collection to array. So these are all the things present in the collection interface. And iterator is also there. Iterator method. Iterator is a cursor, right? Iterator is a iterator. Iterator is a cursor method. So it represents, like it returns iterator object. Iterator object. It represents iterator object. So for what this one? To get the objects. One by one. So these are all the methods present in the collection interface. So what is the next one? So we already talked about the array list and array list constructed in the last class, and what are the various methods present in the array list class. Those are all the things we did it. So let's do the remaining things. What are the presented things in the array list? The list. first we are going to the next one we are going to talk about the list interface. We are going to talk about the list interface. So particular method about the collection, we already talked about the collection, and in this we already talked about the map for duplicate keys, and sorted map we already did before that. And in sorting we forgot one topic. In sorting what is there are two types of sorting: default natural sorting order, and the second one customized sorting order. Customized sorting order. So if you want to get objects one by one, you need to go for the cursors also. In sorting there are two types of sorting orders. For the default sorting order, like one by one, then we are going for the comparable interface. This is a called comparable is interface. And customized sorting order, we are going for the comparator. So for the customized sorting order, we are going for comparator. So default natural sorting order, customized sorting order. Default natural sorting order, where is the comparable? For the customized sorting order, it's a comparator. And if you want to get updates one by one, you need to go for cursors. You need to go for the cursors. So what are these? Enumerator. The second one is the iterator, and the third one is the list iterator. So these are all the interfaces. So if you want to get objects one by one, you need to go for the cursors. One is the enumerator and iterator and list iterator. So these are the three cursors we are going to use for the list or set any other objects one by one. You need to go for this type of cursors. And so these are the important topics here. In the next class we will discuss about list and so the next are the list and set. The next one we will talk about in the different class. So what is the list? What is the list? In list, what are the insertion order, insertion order, preserve, and duplicates or are allowed. So this is the list, about list. And we can differentiate duplicate objects via index. So in list, how we differentiate? We will differentiate objects. What objects? Duplicate objects via index. And here index play important role. And the next one, the list. In this list, what are the various methods? We already discussed about the collection, collection interface methods. So some methods present in list. So what are these? One, L dot add of some particular index and object. So 3 comma this one method, and the other one same thing, L dot add in L dot add of index comma object oh, the same method. The next one, L dot add all of index comma collection C. So it will add the particular collection at the end of the index, wherever the index we given it, then it started to add the collection from there onwards. And the other one is the L dot remove of index. L dot remove of index. And get off index. How to get an object? Get off index, locating at the specified index. Locating at specified index. Get int of index and set int of the other one, set of index comma object or. It is used to set, means at the particular index we are going to replace the element, so that is the for the set index. And we have another method of index of. We have another method of index of object obj, and the other one is the last index of object obj. So these are all the list topic. We already discussed about the array list topic here, and also linked list. Linked list have also specific methods. Linked list is a remove, add is a best choice. And what are the various constructors in the linked list? Are linked list L equals to new linked list of, linked list L equal to new linked list of collection C. Linked list specific methods to provide support for the requirement linked list class defines following specific methods. So what are those? Void add first, void add last. So methods in linked list. So here linked list means these are like these boxes, everything like small boxes like this, and everything is connected like this, add first and add last. So what is the return type is void and add first of and void add last add last and also get first. First means it will return an object, right? Object get first and object means get last. Object get first and object get last and object remove first and object remove last. Object remove first and object remove last. So these are all the methods: void add first and void add last, and object get first and object get last, and object remove first and object remove last. So it will diagrammatic representation like this and like this. So you have the you have the nice clarity about these are all methods present in the linked list. So today what we discussed about, again go back, lot of things we discussed about various methods present in the collection interface, and what is the sorting, and what are the different cursors present in the collection interface, and what is a list, and we already discussed about the array list in the previous class, and what are the different methods present in list, and what are the methods present in linked list. So these are all different methods. Only we are discussing about the methods. What are those? Add of object O, adding an object, and L dot add all of collection C, adding all collection. The next one, remove object O, removing a particular object. Remove all means collection C, removing group of collection objects. And clear, remove all objects. Retain all, accept that object, remove the remaining all objects. Contains, is a particular element is present or not, and contains all, whether the collection is present or not. Is empty, is the present any object is present or not. Size, array size, object to array, convert all collection into array. To array means the collection, particular collection array list, if some array list is there, so that one it will convert to the dot to array means it will give a object type of everything, and iterator to get objects one by one. And sorting, default natural sorting and customized sorting order. Default means comparable iterator and interface, and customized sorting order means comparator. If you want to get an objects one by one, you need some cursors. Those are iterator, list iterator, and enumerator. List means insertion order is preserved and duplicates means allowed. And we will differentiate all the list objects according to the index. Index plays important role in the list. And methods present in the list: L dot add of particular int index and object O, L dot add of int index and collection C, L dot add all of int index and collection C, and L dot remove of int index. and L dot add all of int index and collection C. Particular, same thing here also, we didn't put the index as well. Just add all of collection. L dot add all of here, particular index and the collection C, and get int index and set int index and object O. Sub particular index we would like to replace it, and that one, and which index and what object you would like to put in that one is a set, and index of the particular object and last index of the, and methods in the linked list. Void add first, add last, get first, and get last, means this one is a return type is object type, and object remove first and object remove last. So these are all the various methods present in the collection as well as list. So this one is also that is a list, and this one is a methods present in the linked list. So hope you guys clear of these are all things.